Rank Math SEO Plugin, how to use Rank Math SEO for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Rank Math. Now, Rank Math is a plugin that you can use in your WordPress websites. What Rank Math allows you to do is that it can allow you to see your SEO ratings in terms of the Search Console, your structured data, local SEO, WooCommerce, image SEO, and your overall sitemap. Rank Math is going to be super helpful in getting valuable data and understanding how your WordPress website is performing and the different aspects that you could improve. Plus, it's really easy to use and can be a really amazing tool, especially if you're someone that is uncertain of their website's SEO and the best practices for SEOs. So to get started, simply head on over to rankmath.com and then click on download for free. Once you click on download for free, you will see there are different pricing plans and you will see that it starts at $9.99 per month. And if you scroll down, you will also have the free version and you can scroll to the bottom to actually choose with the free version if that is your personal preference. You can click on download on the top right, and once you do that, you will see the download will begin. You can also go into your WordPress site, and once you're in your WordPress site, you can click on plugins on the left, click on add new plugin, and once you click on add new plugin, you can also search for Rank Math over here. And if you search for Rank Math in your new plugins, you might not find it, and that is the reason why we like to install it directly. So once you have installed Rank Math, open up the zip file and you will see your assets, languages, and more. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Upload Plugin, click on Choose File, and you're going to choose your zipped file. You're not going to choose the opened up file. You want to choose the zipped file and then click on Install Now. Once you click on Install Now, your plugin for Rank Math will now be uploaded, and we're going to click on Activate Plugin. And once we click on Activate Plugin, we can connect our account. So by connecting your free account, you can get keyword suggestions and much more with Rank Math. And we're just going to be creating an account using our Google email address. You can create it with your Facebook, Apple, or even your WordPress account. So we're just going to be using Google to make it easier. And once you do that, you're going to click on OK, Activate Now. And once we do that, we're going to be led back into our site setup. In our site setup, there are going to be a couple of different questions that are your setup questions. So for websites where you only want to change the basics or where you want advanced users who control SEO aspects of every website. Now, I want this to be for the easy version because beginners can't really do a lot of customizations. They can be a bit too difficult. Click on Start Wizard over here. And after that, you're going to be asked what type of website is your WordPress website because WordPress is highly customizable. You might be running a blog, you might be running a portfolio, you might be running a personal website, you might be running a personal blog. So it's really up to your personal preference. I'm going to be adding this as a store because I want to sell product on my WordPress site. Once you do that, below that, you're going to choose the type of organization this is. You need to make sure that it applies exactly. Or if you can't find what exactly your business entails, you can use the generic terms of organizations or local business for describing the type of business you're trying to run. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to try to find my specific store type. So I have a online clothing store and I can find that over here. I have a clothing store and I'm just going to add that. Below that, we have our website name, and you can also add a alternative name. So let's say our alternative name is J&J. And then after that, we have the person or organization name, and then a logo for Google. Click on Upload File, and you can upload your file over here from your website. I'm going to be uploading a new logo for my website. So we're just going to use this logo over here and click on Open. Once you open this up, click on Use this file. And below that, you can add a default social share image. I don't have one, so I'm just going to click on Save and Continue. Once we do that, you can go on ahead and connect the Google services. So connecting the Google Search Console is going to be a really great way for you to be able to get more data about your website. So if you already have a Google Search Console account, you can simply choose your account from over here, click on Continue, and select your Google Analytics account. Click on Continue over here, and once you click on Continue, you will be able to add your site as well. If you don't have this, you can click on skip this step because it's not a necessary step. Once you do that, you will be seeing your site info. So you will see optimize your posts. It's currently 100% optimized, and I can click on click here to get more information. Then click on return to dashboard. Now, once we have completed this, we will see that Rank Math SEO is now on the left panel. And from here, we have different tools that we can use. We have a content AI where you can get AI suggestions for keywords, questions, and more to include in your posts. You also have AMP, analytics, local SEO, and link counters. You also have a instant indexing tool as well as a SEO analyzer, sitemap, video sitemap, Google's web stories, and WooCommerce tab. So go into your SEO analyzer on the left panel under Rank Math SEO. Once you do that, you will click on Start SEO Analyzer, and this will analyze your entire website. Now you will see it have 4 warnings and 5 failed tests, and I have 12 pass tests. My overall site SEO is 63 out of 100, which means that there is a lot of room for improvement. What you're going to do is first off, you want to go into your failed tests over here. No meta descriptions were found for my homepage, no page descriptions were found, as well as there are certain keywords that are excluded, or my posts and product pages don't have a specific keyword. So the first thing we're going to do is add a SEO description. You can even click on how to fix it, and Rank Math will tell you how you can fix your SEO mistakes. Then you also have warnings. So automatic updates are not enabled on your site. Links ratio. So there are too few internal links. So I'm not linking to my own website pages, and then a site tagline hasn't been entered. So I can go on ahead and fix this by going into my site customizer and adding a tagline for my website. And in terms of advanced SEO, my homepage contains no index meta tag or headers. Now, these are all the different things that my website is lacking. Plus, I can also see the past test for my site. Now, slowly but surely, you can go on ahead and go into each one of your homepage settings and you can start customization. I'm going to click on Use Site Editor to begin editing my site. And once I go into my site editor, I can go on ahead and click on Pages. And this is my blog home. I have 10 pages. And let's say this is the header I have. I can click on Edit over here to further add more information and focus on specific keywords. Now, with the Rank Math SEO tool, not only can you get SEO-based data, but if you go into Analytics on the left, you will see that it provides you with a dashboard for your analytics, which includes your top 3 keyword positions. Then you also have site analytics. You also have SEO performance, keywords, and rank trackers. It might take an initial, phase where it is trying to grasp all your website's data. It might take a little more time to actually display these analytics, but after a couple of days, your site analytics are going to be really amazing metrics to follow along to see whether or not your site is progressing or not. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.